Alright, y'all, I am here again with the Bissell Powerforce Helix, and we're going to do a natural vacuuming, and I'm not going to talk as much as I have been, so we're just going to get started. Here we go. And there we go. I hope everyone enjoyed that. Let's take the wine and check the dirt cup. Ooh, yep, a lot of sand and some planting stuff, but yeah, that is quite a good pound of sand. Well, I have just the place for it. We're gonna build up some more oh, never mind. I'm gonna build up some more dust for the channel. Like I said, I know I'm very limited here, but what can you do? So look at the pre-motor filter, and of course there's already some fine dust on it. There's that dryer sheet that I stuck up in there for air freshener, but that's not really helping a whole lot. I can still smell it. It smells bad even out here. But yeah, tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content if you haven't yet. And if you want to help support the channel, you can click super thanks and send a super comment. You can send supers in live chats as well. And if you want to direct donate, you can go to Coffee. There's a link in the description. And you can send whatever kind of donation you want there. But if you want to watch my content for free, that's also an option. Anyways, until next time, bye, y'all.